and welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is very special because Aishan has no idea that I'm recording this vlog. So his birthday is coming up. It's his big 25. Me and two of his best friends. Say hi, guys.
I'm Sohil.
Say hi, Anirudh.
Myself, aka Anirudh.
This is basically his surprise birthday vlog. He has no idea that I'm vlogging this whole thing. So basically what happens every year is you guys are with him, right? For his birthday every other year.
Usually, yeah.
Yeah. So this year is unfortunately the year that Banat doesn't happen. It happens next year. So, and over that it's COVID. So Aishan was feeling really low. So I just tried texting Sohil and Anirudh to find out if they can drive down to surprise him. And both of them happened to be free that weekend. But Anirudh, you want to say why we are not celebrating it on his birthday weekend?
Yeah, so med school does not take days off, right? So pretty much my final exam was on the 8th. So if we were going to celebrate, it would be a very, very lame celebration because I would be there for like 10 minutes and then I'd have to leave. So I was like, can we please do just the weekend after, literally like 4 days later. So that's why we settled on the 9th weekend, so the 10th.
Which is perfect because as extra as we are on this channel, we are doing a fake birthday party on his birthday weekend. So he's not going to suspect this at all. He has no idea.
Yeah.
So there was a slight glitch in our whole execution. On the 4th July weekend, my friends, my roommates and our common group wanted to go for a 4th July getaway. And they somehow decided to go somewhere near where Sohil stays, right? Sohil and Anirudh. So this guy starts calling Anirudh and Sohil to find out if they're free to meet him. Then we already planned a surprise party, but the weekend after that.
Exactly.
Yeah, and we had to shoot him down one by one.
First, who did he call?
I think he called you, Cap, right? Did he call you first?
I think he called me and he's like, I just really want to meet up. Like, we're going, I see you guys on my birthday often. So I just haven't seen you in a while. It's very sad. And I'm immediately had to be like, I can't make it. I have a family.
Yeah.
So funny. I tried to add the screenshots here. It's so hilarious. Aisha was talking to them on the phone as I was texting these guys to to make sure that we're all on the same page. It was hilarious. And then he called Anirudh, right?
Yeah, I felt so bad because obviously, I'm sure you guys know, Aishan is very, usually he kind of relies on himself and he doesn't depend on, anyone else.
Yeah.
So when he reached out and he was like, hey, I'm coming down to West Virginia, it's my birthday, I'd be really excited to see you guys and spend my birthday with you guys. I was like, oh, man, I so want to be there, dude, but I have an exam on the 8th. And then I just felt so bad because inside I wanted to be I'm going to be there. But I had to keep it very low key and dude, it's really tough, man. It's a really tough spot, But and then in the meantime, I'm letting both you and Bhumi know, both Cap and Bhumi saying that. He just called me and I had to be I can't make it. I feel very bad.
So then after that, what happens is I managed to get to Sohil and Anirudh in time, but Aishan just went ahead and called Samir.
Oh, that was the craziest part.
None of us could even text him or anything, and we were I literally was so rude. I mean, if he didn't know me at all, he'd think I'm yelling at him because I just said say no. I just kept saying say no to him on his video. He must have wondered what the hell is wrong with her, why is she saying say no, because Aishan ended up calling Samir had no idea about this glitch and he ended up inviting Aishan over to Pittsburgh.
Right.
Yeah.
So funny because when Aishan came in, I was and we all knew that Samir spoke to him. Samir texted me as soon as Aishan shut the phone, and then Aishan was I might go to Pittsburgh, there's a party. Samir's dad is throwing a party, he invited us, so we'll do that maybe, most probably. So I was this is Neha, my 2 rupees acting. I was just oh, okay, whatever you want to do, it's your birthday. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
It was so funny. Like, I was crying on the inside. You guys have a surprise gift for him, right?
So you'll see later in the video, we had a t-shirt made for him, just piled up with a bunch of inside jokes.
Anirudh is as extra as he could get.
Yeah, so I thought since he doesn't get suspicious that we're not doing anything for his birthday, I send him like a fake surprise gift, right? So I'm sure you guys have seen the spicy ramen video challenge that both of them did, Aishan and Pumi. So I thought I'll send him like a flavor that he hasn't tried, like a super, very thoughtful surprise gift, right?
Yeah.
But the actual gift that we're gonna give him, and you'll see in the vlog later, is we thought we'd get a drone because he was kind of, I think in his conversations with Pumi and for their channel, they were talking about getting something like a drone because you can take a lot of cool travel footage and a lot of nice kind of cuts for all the videos they want to do, right? So we actually got that. Me, Sohil, Samir, we've all kind of thought about that, and so I think he won't expect it at all. So we're really excited to see his reaction when we show him.
Everybody was so down to see him and, you know, be a part of his Big Bunny Friday. It was so sweet. Like, the minute I texted everyone said they're in like a second. Aishan's really blessed to have friends like you guys. The best part is he's not suspecting it at all. From your conversations with him, what do you all feel?
Yeah,
there's no way.
he has no idea what's happening. He has no idea what's about to happen, which is very hype for his reaction because I don't think we've really surprised him that much in the past.
Oh, by the way,
definitely.
Has he ever said to any of y'all that he's not a surprise party person?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
No, I didn't actually know that either.
See,
So I'm a little worried now.
But this is a very sweet surprise.
This is a nice one.
Yeah.
I think even if he doesn't look surprised, he's still gonna like this one. There's no way.
Yeah. So, do y'all want to tell me what the plan is for the surprise birthday? What's happening at your end?
So yeah, we're gonna carpool. We're gonna carpool all the way up around 3, right? 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. We're gonna meet.
Yeah, we should be there by 3.
We'll be at your place, and then you're gonna call him over. We're gonna call him over and just say, let's hang out. And then we'll all be
I think I'm gonna tell him that we are gonna record a video.
Oh, okay.
Or channel or something like that, so that he's stressed and then he's not upset later on that all of us are like looking nice and
Oh, yeah.
We'll record the video for next Friday, and then when he comes, he's just gonna walk into this little bana that we brought to him.
Great.
He passes out. He just straight up out.
Yeah, and you know, like, I remember when y'all both said no, he comes in and he goes like, I always celebrate my birthday with them.
Right, dagger right in the heart.
Poor boy, like, I felt so bad. I was like, it's okay. It's just 1 week of this terrible season. 1 week extra, and then we're good to go. So, yeah, that's about it, I guess, guys. I can't wait to see y'all, and we can't wait for the July 10th weekend. Okay, bye. See you guys soon.
Bye. Tata.
Tata.
What is up, Cap?
And we're back. What's going on, Cap?
Dude, so excited about next week.
It's gonna be so fun.
I think Sanjay does not know what's coming. And
there's no idea.
It's here, man. We got it.
And it's here. It's arrived.
It has arrived.
Sanjay's gift has arrived.
So let's just open it up. Here we go.
Let's do it. Almost there.
Almost, Captain.
One more deep cut.
And here it goes. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands because
So you gotta just use the super strength.
tear it open for Sanjay.
Full speed.
And here it is.
Dude,
There it is, man.
the Mavic Mini.
If you guys are into drones, this is one of the latest models. It's under 249 grams. So this drone basically fits in your hand and it records really good HD quality video. Pretty easy to fly, and you also don't need to register it with.
So yeah, we're gonna surprise Sanjay with this.
So yep, you got to show them the second half of the surprise.
Oh yeah, gotta show them this. So we thought we'd get him something a little extra as well. I don't know if anyone's seen the movie Hereditary.
Very sick though. There it is.
This is Sanjay's face planted
And for those
firmly on Alex's wool.
that is Sanjay. Of course, extra small.
Extra small, of course, you gotta do that. So yeah, we're gonna also surprise him with that.
That came out really well. The design looks really good.
Yeah, dude. I hope he wears it, like in public. For work.
We were like thinking of a serious gift and then a joke gift.
Yeah.
Very, very sick.
Pri, what are we getting ready for? Aishan's fake birthday. It's so funny. His actual birthday party is next week, but his actual birthday is this week.
But we're acting like it's not.
Yeah, we're acting like it's not. Priya actually almost told him, tell them that story.
So, I was like, oh yeah, I'm not going to Florida anymore, so I can come next weekend for your party. And and then he's like, what party? And I'm like, wait, isn't the party next week?
No.
And he's like, no, it's this week. I was like, oh, I'm like, that's because I thought your friends were going on a trip. So it's like, why would you throw a party if no one's going to be there? And he's like, no, it's this week. I was like, oh, okay, that makes sense.
Good save. I would strangle you personally, Bri, if you wouldn't make such a good save. Oh my god, I like your eyes better than mine. Look, that looks so good. So it's gonna be raining all day. It's gonna be raining all day. Exciting. Good morning, guys. It's D-Day today. So today is when we put the surprise in place. Totally not feeling that right now because it's raining today. I had told Aishan to come pick me and Niharika up for like a birthday photo shoot. That was the only way to get him to come here, right? As I said earlier that the surprise is here at my place. The party is at his house later on, but the surprise is where he least expected to be. So that was the only way to get him to come here, and it's raining. Like, I literally went to sleep thinking and praying that please let everything go well. I don't know how it didn't occur to me to check the weather, but I didn't. I think it's gonna be raining all day because I woke up to his text message that said it's gonna be raining all day. I mean,
can I live? Can I live? Can I live?
It's so annoying. Everybody has left from their homes, so on that end we're like good. All the stuff is here beside my dirty laundry. Don't look at that. The plan is that we surprise him here and then Nia and Crescent quietly leave and then go and decorate his place. And we also told him that since it's Friday, TGIF. We also told him that we'll be coming over to like do barbecue and chill in the night because he has bought a new grill for his birthday. Food wise, we're sorry because Auntie's being the cutest. Auntie is sending like food for the night. तो last का थोड़ा ही यहाँ वहाँ की चीजें बची थी, but ये बारिश यार मुझे यार I can't. I hate this यार. I just can't. ना हम बैकयार्ड में पार्टी कर सकते, सारा का सारा पार्टी घर के अंदर मूव करना पड़ेगा. Anyways, I'm gonna think of something to tell him to make him come here. Let's see how that goes and I'll keep you guys posted. I just told him that come anyways because I have a place in mind in the park. There was this little hut thing which had a roof. Itni jhoot. The past 3 weeks that we've been planning this, the amount of lies I've had to tell this boy, it's crazy, it's mad. I told him that I won't be able to take it the whole next week, so we'll have to work with what we have, and that place has a roof so we can take it anyways, so just come. And he replied saying okay, so let's see. Okay, so half of the party is here already. Hi! Y'all can just quickly say your names.
Anuva, Saloni,
Arjun, Samir,
and where did you come from?
Pittsburgh, Efi,
Jersey, New York.
As y'all can see, it's pouring. I'm so grateful that these guys made it even in this rain.
come on.
Hi!
What's going on? Okay, elbow touch. How are you?
Hi, Bunty. What's up? You can shut the thing.
In case we're running, give this to them.
Oh!
Oh, weird dude.
How long has it been since you guys were here?
It's been 2 hours. 2 hours.
You guys came late.
We're pretty early.
Fashionably late.
We don't have your names yet, actually.
My name is Bunty.
Nina.
And you know me.
No. I know. I want to.
Okay, so Aishan is here finally after hours.
Lock the door and be like, excuse me.
Oh, y'all can say hi. Now, I think he's going to take his time. I think I'm going to pass out. Should I increase the volume? Increase the volume. देखा तूने? आया क्या? स्टोरी देख. Come in, Aishan. Come in, man. जगी खोल दरवाजा. Happy birthday! Why did you come in?
I was gonna go back home. I was stuck in traffic. I was like, no.
How do you feel?
Give me a minute. He looked scared for a moment.
Yeah.
I was like, that's not our.
You like pointed too.
Yeah, you look like.
So we're gonna have a good week. I'm embarrassed. I never get caught off guard like this.
What are you feeling right now?
I'm shook. I'm very shook. I did not expect it. I was like, I walked in and I did not expect that at all. Because we celebrated last
That
weekend.
was the fake party I put together.
Yeah, I thought that was a real party and I actually genuinely had a lot of fun. So I didn't expect anything like past that.
Dude.
Everybody was basically kind of waiting for this one. Like we had a dress theme and all.
Yeah.
So we were actually preparing for this part.
I talk to all these people on a daily basis, so I can imagine how hard it must have been.
Now where are we headed?
We're gonna go to my house
and get this weekend started.
One more last surprise. Small, very small. What is this? What? A drone?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
The cherry on top.
Where did you get this from?
We got it, man. We got it. It's still in the car.
It's from all of you guys?
It's little boss. The boss.
The
boss.
Oh my god.
I like it.
I love it, dude. This is crazy. Thank you so much, guys.
Of course.
Of course. I like it too.
Morning.
Morning.
You guys did not have to get me such a good gift.
Happy birthday, brother.
Shots over your head.
He loves it.
Very hyped. Really thought.
Yeah, she's gonna be there. She went out. Reena's like, Anirudh is in the frame. Saloni, come here and tell us the menu.
Okay, so I made scones. And then this is chole bhatura. Obviously did not make any part of that. And then mom basically made that too, but I assembled and baked. So, and it's like a tater tot frittata kind of thing. Yeah, that's everything.
So good. And then she even got like
Coffee, oatmeal. She brought everything.
a Sunday brunch.
Sunday brunch, yeah, you have
Sunday
to.
fun day.
Aishan, how did you get so lucky, man? Like,
Was it a good weekend?
Good.
Good.
It's just a surprise after surprise.
Have the scones with this jam. It's unreal. This jam is so good.
Arjun's like, I will.
Yeah, don't worry.
How's it, Arjun?
Very good. Really good.
It's fire. The verdict is in. It's fire.
Good. What part is fire?
I'll
text my mom and say the review. It's fire.
Shout out to Simon auntie.
Yeah.
What happened? What's your
Sad day. Very sad.
You're in it.
Yeah.
Arjun?
I can't even remember how that part goes.
All the parts, but all the things that he sings about and everything are in Western Virginia.
Are you posing for a picture?
Pri is in it. Pri is the mugger. Either come in or get out. It's not a picture though. I'm just taking a video for like you're saying bye.
Bye, boo.
I was waiting.
Get the group hug.
But Sameer's not in the group hug.
Hey, Samir, we're having a group hug. We love you. Group hug.
It's never ending. Arjun's not gonna come back out.
No.
Yeah, we'll show himself here. Alright. Yeah.
Guys, go out. Where is she? Get out.
Are you gonna cry? To our goodbye session.